What's up, guys? So I started doing the car project that I told you about. Forgot to film the first part. I sincerely apologize, but we're gonna get on it today and film the rest of the little build we're doing. Let's go in kind of a background story. E46 M3, this is my car, has subframe problems. The bushings wear out and the subframe can crack around where the bushing mounts to it, and just cause a lot of problems, clunking, and just rubber bushings wear out and everything. So what you can do for that is take some of these plates and weld into place where the bushing mounts to the car. It just covers more area and it just fixes all those problems. And then you can put polyurethane bushings, the factory bushings, or I'm doing solid aluminum bushings. So let's go into that right now, kind of do a little walk around and in detail kind of go at the step we're at right now, and we'll continue the process. All right, so right here, if you see on my toolbox, I have all the stuff I ordered. Big shout out to Achilles Motorsport. These guys helped me out a lot. It's where I ordered all my parts from. I apologize, it's the door up front, the shop. Anyway, I ordered all of my stuff from them. Basically, they are amazing. The customer service, Mino, the guy that owns the place, him and his wife are just fantastic. I really love them. Please check these guys out. If you need anything, just look them up on Google. Achilles Motorsports. They have anything for BMWs that you could possibly need for track or street or anything. So what we have here is Achilles solid subframe bushings. We have the Turner solid diff bushings. This is the last one left. And then we have the Achilles weld-in plates. And then I have I think it's Turner monoball R-tabs to go into my trailing arms. They're just not here yet. They're at the house. I gotta go pick them up. They came in today. So basically last night what we did, we had to drop the diff, drop the subframe. I went ahead and just painted that black because it was kind of messed up. Got the bushings out, go into that in a second. Dropped the section 3, the X-brace, soy bar, the other, that's like a mount for the subframe. Helps to hold it in place. And if we come under here, oh, also, very funny side note. So I have a 2-post lift. The motor quit working after I got the lift set to jack my car up. I hit the light switch and the motor's just like seized up. Couldn't get a motor, so here we are on the frame machine. It's been quite the task, but it's not going that bad. I think it'll be all right. We were able to get it. I had a lot of great friends come over last night. Supposed to come over again today. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning right now. We got to like 2 last night, but we're getting it. So right here is what we have here. These right here, if you're not familiar with this, I'll go through it a little bit. This is the plate that you would weld in to the bottom of the car. So as you can see, this is the big hole right there is where the bushing mounts for the subframe. And as you can see, I have a crack. It's not the biggest, but it's definitely not supposed to be there. So what this does, instead of, let me position this light, instead of putting all of the weight or stress on that one mounting point, what this plate is going to do when it's welded is get a bigger surface area and take the stress on this whole plate instead of just on the center right here where that little bushing mounts. It's probably no bigger than this, so it just wants to pull itself out, especially if you make more power. Like I've built motor and supercharged, so there's that. And this is where the front one mounts. I've already kind of grinded this off, had to drop my fuel tank. Still kind of sketchy about that. I'm gonna lay like a welding blanket over it because I don't feel like dropping and exposing any fuel. This is kind of where it got really bad. As you can see right here, mine was starting to crack around it and pull away. So definitely not what we wanted, but it's not gonna be that bad. My dad's gonna weld it today for me, so that's really good. And then this is the other side. So yeah, this plate's really cool. The Achilles have pretty good coverage. Reddish Racing is probably like the best reviewed. But like I said, I've been working with the guys at Achilles and they've just been really good to me, so I went with all their stuff. So yeah, this is gonna go right here and then you just weld around this and in these little holes right here. So it'll be really, really good. I'm excited. Let's see, and then for the other thing, these right here, let's get you kind of a visual. These are going to weld in from the top. So right here is the inside of my trunk. We have to cut this out right here. And we're also going to weld a plate from the top to just help give extra rigidity. Jesus, can't speak. And just help strengthen that piece of metal so it won't be thin. It'll be top and bottom layer. Well, guys, that was a little update on what's going on. I'll film in between of what we're doing today. Once we start making some more progress and get the welding, I'll definitely film that for you guys. It's kind of just what's going on. I started to have some clunk in my rear end, and I want to do some track days. I wanted my car to be protected, so this needed to be done. I was pushing it off, putting it off. I really wanted to do flex fuel, but this needed to come first. So here we are. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and thank you for watching. Okay, now moving over here to the diff. Buddy Eric was able to get these two in last night, pressed them in. Got the old ones out. This is kind of what the old ones look like. You can see the rubber was just significantly worn out around there. So, trash those. Those are no good. Now we got solid in here. The last thing we have to do last night, I'll show you. I'll insert the clip here. Their rubber bushings did not want to come out. We couldn't really press them out. So, Buddy Garrett went to town with the acetylene torch over here and definitely got them out.
I don't know if this is gonna work. It's just on fire. Where's the fan? That thing. Turn on. I can't see anything.
Then over here, we'll have to take, and this one's still not out. I have not got this one out yet. Probably gonna have to ask my dad what the best option would be to get this one out today. But as far as the other one goes, all these are out. Just gonna clean it up a little bit. These pieces over here, I'm gonna take and paint. I'm gonna clean that up and paint it. Clean the X-brace up and paint it. Those pieces should clean up good. They kind of already glossy, so just kind of clean the inside until everybody gets here. I gotta go to the house and get those R-tabs. So, other than that, guys, it's a little update.
You ready?
Differential's about to go in the car. I got Zach, John, Garrett, Dusty, and myself. Dusty's about to film it. So.
Oh yeah, let's see here.
Grab the nose. Alright, 1, 2 to go.
Oh, watch your hand.
Bolts. Oh, fuck.
Go up. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, pick it up a little more. Pick it up.
Pick the nose up. I got the back. Pick the nose up. It's not in the hole, guys. Hold on. Garrett's is not ready. All right, hold on, Garrett. I'm gonna get you.
Right. Now we gotta go up a lot.
Move your hand. Move your hand. All right, Garrett, go. Garrett, hold on. Watch out. Watch out. One at a time. I can't. All right, one's in. Garrett, yours is in. I got you, Garrett. Hold on.
What is this? You want this?
Where's the dry tap bolt?
Not getting that, I'll torque it. Dusty, where's the other one?
Give him the dry tap bolt.
Drive shaft bolt?
Holy shit, my knees
Where
hurt.
does this go?
Huh? That's the front, this bushing. See it?
Goes in on the side?
Yeah.
What size is that? Sorry. Oh, I need a swivel. What size is this?
Swivel?
Wait, can I get a 21? Do you have a 21
I don't have a
swivel?
21 swivel, I got that. Where's the torque wrench? We're gonna torque these on.
Better wait till you get those in. You got a...
That could have went worse.
Yeah, well, Zach in here, Jesus, that's great. Alright, what was my thing?
No. You're moving the whole subframe. So I'm gonna show my pocket.
Alright, come out with me.
Yeah. You got it, Zach? Hold on.
All the way, or
Give
what?
me that seat. Give me that seat. Hold on 1 second. Ow. Back. I can't.
Oh,
see
my
it.
bad, bro. My bad. I'm fucking up.
Zach's on a cable.
My bad.
Pointing the light at my face. I'm like, oh, an impact on a chrome swivel. Huh. That swivel's about to go bye-bye. I like to live dangerously.
Alright guys, what's up? It's Saturday morning. Been working on the car Thursday night, Friday night, had all my buddies come over. Shout out to all my friends, dude. Y'all are freaking awesome. I love you. Couldn't have been done without you guys. So we got everything in the car, minus a few little braces here and there. About to finish putting those in right now. Then we're going to take the car out, probably do a burnout, you know, just break the subframe in more. But just going to go over everything we did last night and got everything buttoned up. It looks really nice. I'm really happy with it. So here we go. All right, so we got the car lowered down. Everything's buttoned back up. I went ahead and put the stop tech stickers came in and put them on the calipers. Haven't done the front yet. Me and buddy Zach's about to go drive it real quick, make sure everything's fine. Should be fine. We're just going to check and do that and then continue on with the day. So here we go.
Oh, yeah, good picture.